Okay, we're going to do two things together real quick. We're going to first start with a finishing powder. Ooh, I have a little too much in here. I'm going to tap a little bit into my lid, and using that same powder brush from before, I'm going to lightly coat my whole face with this stuff. Now, some people will put it on and then push off the excess or fin it. I just don't on it like bakes look like nice last long for much. Cheers. Too much on the computer. Oops. Lag. It's whitish, but it's translucent. Now, that's fine. And I like this. You just close your eyes, close your mouth, and mist your face. Not right in your face, like crisscross. That's what they recommend. So blessing yourself. Now this is supposed to be like hairspray for your face. It'll set your makeup. It'll last better. I feel like it's cool and refreshing too. But that's why I like to do that. And I'm going to end up fiddling with something because inevitably I get hair. You might notice I had my hair colored, caught in my lashes. So last but not least, I'm going to do a little lip. Now I did not do lip primer. I could have. I chose not to. I am going to do lip liner, however. This one is an older one. It's called Plum. But we have something similar now to take a dark lip color. I'm using this to match my lipstick, but most of the time we match our lip color or use clear because it's really hard to have a lip liner for every single lipstick we have. That would just be ridiculous. So what I'm doing is lining a little on the inside, and I'm going to fill in as opposed to just putting a line. I want this to blend with the lipstick I'm going to use in a minute. So you can see like a little kid, I'm filling it in. Like it's a coloring book. If you don't like using a lip primer, you can usually use foundation primer, the clear stuff. A little trick. And sometimes I use our satin lips as sort of a primer. This isn't perfect, but I'm kind of in a hurry. Good enough. Now, I'm using an older lipstick. Again, I have limited edition everything. This is called Berry Stylish. It was a lip satin or lip stain. Not a lip stain, but it's a cream lipstick. There's a whole thing on lip personality based on how you use your lipstick and how you wear it down. I happen to follow the shape it was already in, but I don't tend to put my whole mouth on it. I tend to run it on one side. So that probably says something about me, but I love this how it has this narrow point where I can kind of follow the Cupid's bow of my mouth. And this happens to be equivalent to our cream lipstick or our semi-shine. For fun, I'm going to pat it down with a cream lipstick, a cream brush that I'm using just for lipstick. I'm going to do, now you could also do this and brush off from the lipstick and apply it. The thing is, you want to kind of pat it on so it stays better. And then last but not least, I have a little lip gloss that's called Mulberry Frost. And this is sort of more like a lip stain, but I wanted to top off my lip color with this because I'm doing a neutral eye. I'm doing a very bold lip, kind of going with the hair. So this is a brush, not like a traditional lip gloss wand. I like it because it gives me more control. And again, I usually don't go to the edges. I want the lip liner to hold my lipstick in place so it doesn't bleed out. In addition to the fact that I don't want to look like a clown when my makeup like to eat off the lipstick or something. And just for fun, even though you can't smell it, I have in a little atomizer our Enchanted Wish, which I've been told, although pulse points are great, it's actually better to spritz it, like walk into it, like spritz it in the air and walk into it and get it on your hair. That way your body warms it up, but you don't sweat it off immediately. Didn't know that before. It was a pretty cool trick when I learned it. So if you have any questions, what I'm going to do as we get closer to the end of the month, I will be traveling to Oklahoma. And what I think I might want to do, if I can do it at the right time zone, is have a Facebook Live Q&A with your makeup questions. So this will be the third week. Next week should be when I'm doing this, and I'll figure out the date and I'll post it. But I hope that I can answer some of your makeup questions for you. And if you have something specific that you're preparing for, I'd be more than happy to help you work out your look.